Zucchini slice muffins. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Line 6 holes of a muffin pan with paper cases. You can use bought cases, or to make them like this, you simply cut squares of baking paper and push them into the muffin pans using a glass. Heat a medium fry pan over medium heat and add the onion and bacon. Cook for 5 minutes or until the onion softens. Honestly, is there anything better than the smell of onions and bacon? Combine the zucchini, flour, cheddar, dill and onion to a bowl and stir until it's combined. In a jug, whisk the milk, egg and butter. Then add it to the zucchini mixture and gently stir until it's combined. Spoon evenly among the lined holes in the muffin tray. Bake for 30 minutes or until a skewer inserted in the centre comes out clean. Serve warm or at room temperature. This is perfect for breakfast on the go or a lunchbox extra.